Hello, in this video I'll show you how to connect to AWS server from iPad. So we can SSH to AWS service from iPad. So this is very interesting stuff. I recently got to know how to do it, so I want to share with all. So let's start this particular video. So first let me launch one instance because I don't have any running. So I'm just launch it. I'll not explain this because we have covered this in another video. Add tag, select existing one. I just want to make sure SSH port 22 is open. Choose key pair. Yeah, so we can see that EC2 instance is launching. So it will launch, it will take some time, but we'll let it run. And once it is ready, we'll resume our video. Okay, so we have our EC2 instance ready to connect. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to connect to EC2 instance from iPad. So this is really cool stuff. I'll just show you that. So I have downloaded Terminus application. So it's very good. Like I just downloaded and trying to explore this more, but just let me show you how we can connect using this application to EC2 instance. So first go into hosts, then add host, new host we can do. Then alias, I'll just give some name, web server one, let me call it like this. Then host name, you should select DNS name for this, which you can get it from EC2. So then like SSH, you want to connect using SSH. Then port 22, which is a default one. Then username, I'll just give you default AWS user, EC2 user. So instead of password, we'll have key. So this is a key which we can use to connect to the server. That's it. And I'll show you in real quick how we can get this key imported here. I already done that. So this should be the same key what you have used while launching the instance. So this is a corresponding private key. So I'll just let me save this. And this is web server one we have just added. So let me try to connect with. Okay, let me see what is happening. Okay, so here we go. So you can see that we already connected to this server from iPad. So this is really cool stuff. Like if you're out, you're just carrying your iPad and you don't have a laptop with you. So this is a really easy way to connect. And what I have done is like this Terminus application, right? I've just downloaded it and like using trial version for it. So that is a free trial for 14 days. I'm just trying to use and explore that. So for now, like I just see that that is so easy to connect. So let me see. Yeah, so I was saying, right, like this DNS. So you can see that this is a DNS name which we use to connect to this instance. So let me go back to this terminus. Right, I'm going back to that. So I just explained you, right, how I created a key. So I just went here and here I added one. So instead, let me try to add one more new identity. So what I did is like instead of importing it, you can generate key from here. I never used it, but you can even import the key from your iTunes login. You can log in use iTunes. I seen that there are ways to do that, but what I found easy is like I have a private key which was downloaded when after like creating a key when you launch instance, right? And if you choose to create a new key, it will give option for you to download it. So when you download, you like download private key. So what I did, I just used that and pasted it here, right? I just pasted it, the private key here. I given some name, like it can be anything, and pasted that private key here, and that's it. I just saved it, and that's how it appeared here. AWS developer key is the name what I have given. So once it is there, then literally you can just go to this host, add host, and connect using DNS names. So that is so easy. So this is our session, terminal session, which is in progress, and this is a host you can add. So, so this how you can connect to web server or any EC2 server from iPad. So I hope like this is new information for you and it's useful. So and you can use it to see like yourself that how this works. So thanks for watching.